Hello everyone, welcome to HMH. Now we're going to sign in into Amira Reading Program. First of all, you're going to type in hmhco.com in the address bar. Click on Login and then click on Login to Ed. Now it's time to choose the country and organization. Now you can choose the country from the drop-down menu, or you can even type it. Egyptian, American, school. Make sure to choose the one with the correct address, Alexandria Ring Road. Now continue to sign in. Make sure to choose the one with this location, Alexandria Ring Road behind Nozha Airport. And then click on Continue to sign in. Now in the username section, type your usual username and just add HMH before it. So it's HMH and then your usual username. As in the password section, you can just type uppercase G and then your grade level, underscore, and then your password. Let's do it together. Uppercase G, mine is grade 2, and then underscore, and then my password. And then click on sign in. Now, welcome to your HMH account. Once you sign in and you want to reach Amira, scroll down and then you will find her. Click on Amira. And voila, here you go. Now you're ready to start your Amira Reading Program journey. Just click on Let's Do It to start. Make sure to use Amira regularly, and you can even use any device, either a PC or a tablet or even your mobile phone. In case of any technical issues you face, make sure to close the tab and reopen it. You can even change the browser you're using. In case it tells you that the browser is outdated, you can just go to the settings section in your browser and make sure to activate enable all in safe browsing. Also make sure that your browser is up to date, so you can even click on check on for updates to make sure it's up to date. Thank you. Enjoy your reading journey.